What's up? Today is Thursday, 7th August. Time is currently 2:22. Let's quickly get to analyzing ES and NQ before market opens. So weekly, we can see we're strongly bullish. We never retraced it back into this weekly fair value gap. So possibility of sell-off sweeping out these lows and tapping into the weekly fair value gap is strong, but at the same time we can't really say we broke structure back to the upside. This candle hasn't closed yet, so daily looks, it's bearish but currently bullish. 4 hour broke structure to the upside already. Right here broke structure. You could say that broke structure there as well. But 4 hours bullish. We are inside this 4 hour fair value gap currently. And at the same time, I am looking for sells. I'm strongly bearish to take out these lows. We haven't taken out this low on ES. I think we did take it out on NQ. I'm not 100% sure. But hourly, let's mark out the highs and lows in the hourly. So we got that high, 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 and high. We could just push up to all-time highs, but at the same time we want to see a sell-off. Weekly could just be making a weekly retrace back deeper in. On the 4 hour, we did come back into this 4 hour fair value gap. We haven't disrespected it just yet. And there was unemployment news coming out today at 1:30. I looked at it when it came out, didn't do much to the market. So I was like, I'm alright trading today. If we get a good setup, obviously, I don't mind trading it. In terms of lows, we have this low. That's an hourly low candle. That's a low. That's a low. So open to a fair value gap. Low and low. We've got all of these lows down here. But I'll just mark them out. They're all extreme lows. These 4 extreme lows for now. In terms of sessions, what did Asia and London session do? Both session lows are still intact, but the highs, both session highs got taken. So a target of these lows would be ideal. Just quickly, actually wait a second, I forgot to mark out. It's 12 o'clock. Pre-market to 2:30 and 5 o'clock. Pre-market consolidated. Hopefully we get pushed to sweep those hourly highs. Okay. And NAS looks like it's gonna sweep all-time highs. It's come very high, but weekly bullish. Daily, can't say we broke structure to the upside, just barely, but yes, we broke structure to the upside. So we are currently bullish on NAS. 4 hour. We are within, we could push up to there. We are within this 4 hour order block, or even, let's say it's a 4 hour order block. We could still see a reversal, we could even push higher. We do have this inverse overhead that we could be respecting. But NAS is looking a lot more bullish than ES. In terms of highs, we got that low, that low, the Hourly low. I can consider that. And mark out these extreme lows all the way down. Yeah. In terms of hourly lows, in terms of hourly highs, we got this hourly high. I mean, an SMT off that high would be very great. I mean, we did low-key create an SMT right there, where NAS swept out this high in the 5 o'clock on Thursday. 5 o'clock on Thursday, 31st. Have created an SMT off this high, where I'm just going to see what price does, and that's 12 o'clock today. Yes, we can. Wait a second. 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. That's an SMT, I believe. I mean, overall, I'm bearish. Sessions ordered London and Asia, I believe it's the same thing. Both the lows are still intact. Yeah, both the lows are still intact. Both the highs got taken. Let's mark out 12 o'clock, 2:30, and 5 o'clock. Bingo. Now we just gotta wait 1 minute until market opens to see what price wants to do. We are, as you can see, I never took any trades yesterday. I wasn't home. So we've got Thursday, Friday left to trade this week. This was a good week so far, up 1.4, taking our overall account to 1.5. Our trade wins so far, our win rate is 57%. Average win is 2.58 risk to reward. Honestly happy with this. Now we just gotta wait and see what price wants to do. Let's get rid of that. Wait a second. 11:15, 11:20, 11:15. That's an SMT. With 12 o'clock, 11:15 and 12 o'clock. 11:15. Highs got taken, but 11:15 here, the high never got taken. So that is considered an SMT now. Ideally, I want price to come sweep it. I mean, I'll leave the SMT there. Market opened already. I'll leave the SMT there, but ideally, this is just too much build of liquidity for price not to want to come take it. I'll just sit here and see what price wants to do. Pre-market, this is just accumulated. It's a nice sweep. It's considered an hourly sweep tapped into an hourly fair value gap as well. Now if this is within an hourly FVG at the moment, trying to do a 5 minute, swept all of these lows. We get a clean inverse of this fair value gap right here on the 5 minute. Actually, it's too early to trade it. It's only 2 minutes into market open. Yes, we could see a big push back up, but my bias coming into this was I was looking for some sort of sell-off. Because we have come back into EQ of this range, like deep inside equilibrium. If you come on the 4 hour, we're within a 4 hour fair value gap and a 4 hour order block. This move right here, which took liquidity and caused the move down. This is where most orders were filled and potentially more orders will get filled here. In terms of NAS, it could push up into this higher fair value gap to push lower. On the daily, good break structure over here. This currently is breaking structure, but I want some sort of sell-off, or I just want trade today. I'm not going to start giving away the profits just for quick and easy trades. Can consider this inverse, but this move was happening like a bit into market open. I'll be happy to take it. But at the same time, we have this SMT over here, which is just low-key throwing me off. What did the Asian do? The rest of the sessions are still there. It's moved sideways. It's moved a lot higher. Tapped into the hourly equilibrium as well. Price could just continue to the upside. And maybe I was just wrong with my current bias. I'll just sit here and see at the end of the day. Could you consider that an SMT? We'll get rid of this. This swept out these lows. 15-minute lows. 1 o'clock. Over here, the 1 hour log got taken. Over here, got pushed away from. Just sit here and wait. Honestly, I'm bearish today. It's not sells. I mean, I want it. Okay, get rid of this. I already know this is pre-market. Pre-market was just moving absolutely terrible. So if this is the price action we get for today's 2:30 to 5 o'clock, I might just call it early day. Especially after how unemployment claims were. It was at 2:30. This candle right here done absolutely nothing. So I was like, yeah, I'm good to trade. Never really done the move of the day in that sense. I mean, overall, we're very bullish. But the fact that we're within this fair value gap on the 4 hour and low-key respecting it at the moment within this order block as well. This didn't even take liquidity when it came down. I mean, yes, it took these ones here. It didn't take out this draw right here. On ES, did it? It took this low, but nothing really else. So a very strong candle. I mean, I'm going to bear in mind that we're currently inside an inverse fair value gap. So that could be good enough. Oh, we swept the highs. Even if we don't sweep the highs on NAS, that is an SMT right there, which is great news for me, honestly. Could we come up here, tap into this inverse right here, knock that out. We know the next high right here is an inverse within the inverse fair value gap. What time was this? This was 12 o'clock. If we don't come and take this 12 o'clock high right here, it's an SMT. All we gotta do is not come and take that 12 o'clock high. That's it. $240. This is great price action, honestly. On this at least, I've been trying to take a trade off NAS, to be honest. I mean, this could be a risky trade to take. Nothing on the 3 or the 5 minute. And I got this S&T. I'm already trying to risk it. Anyway, broke structure on any other time frames, so I'm just gonna wait. We could just jump into a continuation after. All we have right now is a sweep and SMT, that's it. Which could I would have taken the trade of this inverse. I mean, if I got all the correct things. I haven't tapped into there just yet. Mark out EQ of the range as well. EQ is within that inverse. This is obviously the leading index, so should be trying to take a trade off NAS. And hourly, we could be targeting this hourly fair value gap right here. Respecting this inverse right here. Honestly, sales do look low-key strong at the moment. Yes, is absolutely pushing. Yeah, so I'll be trying to catch a trade off NAS. Hopefully we get a entry. We've got this 3-minute fair value gap right here. Correct about the direction, no entry at the moment though. We have just come deep into this 1 hour fair value gap. Could be possibly respecting it and then pushing away. Yes, but honestly, if we get a close below this red line, that's going to be a strong break of structure with an SMT on the 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute SMT is beautiful. I'm strongly bearish today, strongly, especially with how price is moving. Got 1 minute left on that candle, and we've got 11 minutes left on this candle. I want within that 11 minutes we close below this red line, so that I know we are continuing to the downside. It just wasn't a sweep like how it was up here. All we can do is wait. But it seems like Nas, I'll get the better trade sell-off. And I feel like this could be a nice sell-off to even this fair value gap over here. So, or even equilibrium of this range. Yeah, equilibrium basically right there, marked as purple. This could be a good day. Or could just be creating a little sweep. 3 minute. Still could tap back into here. 15 minute. It's 10 minutes left of this candle. We still could tap back into here and then sell off. But without this candle's closing, not really the best. I mean, we are respecting this bearish fair value gap. We haven't closed above it either. I mean, everything's just pointing to bearish. We are tapping into that 3 minute fair value gap within equilibrium as well. Nice reaction off there. Anything on the 1 minute? With that 1 minute fair value gap as well. Nothing crazy on the 1 minute. We are tapping into this 1 minute inverse up here. We're just going to see how this candle closes. We tap into here. A nice bearish close. I'll take that entry. On the 1 minute, I want a bearish close of this candle. Oh no, on NQ. NQ. 3. Start 3 contracts. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's very good. Entered off that. Stops right there. Risking 900. Targeting 1, 2, 3. Honestly, might hit stop loss straight away, which could be a big shame. Yeah, looks like a stop loss day, and I'll be losing 900. Shame. I mean, everything was pushing to bearish. We are down Wait a second, let me check how much we lost. We lost 1,028 of this trade right here. I think I had to wait until it tapped into the 79 range. US. Second on the I feel like this would have been the one. I'll try to re-enter with 2 contracts. Actually, wait a second. Wait until we close here on a breaker structure. Go to this for now. This trade is very strong. I feel like this trade is very strong. I'm going to take it with 2 contracts. Same stop loss. And same take profit. I feel very strong about this trade. Oh my days. I've done it again. Straight back to reverse trading. Losing all the profit I made this week. Knocking myself out right now, although I should have done that earlier. Go to that, go to that. Should always wait until we have the 5 minute. And we got the 5 minute breaker structure over here. Price could. And I say one thing and I do the other. I should have never come onto the markets today. I mean, those unemployment claims. I told myself I don't trade unemployment claims days. And what did I do? Not only did I trade, I revenge traded and lost all my profit for the week, for the day. Big shame, big shame. I'm gonna go update my. I need to stop this one. I have one good day, and everything else just goes out the window. I never got a 5 minute confirmation. Where's the 5 minute confirmation? Nowhere. So why the hell am I even looking? Let me even get rid of that 3 minute. Why the hell am I looking at trades if I don't have that 5 minute confirmation? Honestly, my fault. This is going to be gone. I was up 1.6. Now I'm down 116. I mean, it's not the end of the world. Oh, come on, man. Told myself one thing, look. It was steady, we went down into drawdown. We went strong up. We were on our way up. And what did we do? Straight nonsense. Can't really see that. change this to black. So I'm down 1.7 for the day. The max I should be down a day is max 1.5. So stupid mistakes, and I paid for it, and we came into this 1 hour fair value gap. I need to start looking at the bigger picture. Okay, we came into that 1 minute fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap, high time frame. So if we create a nice fair value gap out of here and price continues to the upside, I'm gonna lose my mind. Anyway, I'm gonna go update my trading journal and then I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Alright, still the same date, 7th August, 3:22. Let's go into this. So it was in Q. I was trading, the account was my eval, bias was bearish, confluence we had was terrible. We had an S&T, a liquidity sweep on the hourly, equilibrium, and inverse fair value gap. We didn't have anything else, really. I mean, you can't say we had a multi-time frame backing, but that 3 minute fair value gap got disrespected instantly. Date was 7th August, outcome was a loss. How much I lost was 1.7. Risk to reward I was targeting a 1 to 3. Setup grade definitely a C, and it was New York AM session. This was the trade. Terrible trade. Had no reason to enter. Had no 5 minute confirmation. You can see price just ripped through my stop loss. Yeah, I shouldn't have been in it. Psychology during the trade day recap, 2 out of 10 overall. I did it again. 3rd day on the eval, I completely lost control. I took a low quality setup without waiting for the 5 minute confirmation, even though I knew it wasn't fully aligned. But instead of stopping there, I revenge traded 3 seconds later. I can't believe I let myself spiral like this again. Today was unemployment claims on news, and although it didn't do much on release, I still decided to trade against my better judgment. That trade wasn't planned, it wasn't part of my edge, and yet I still went ahead with it. Result, I lost everything I made from Tuesday, and now I sit down with, I'm down minus $116.20 on the account. Out of drawdown yesterday, right back in it today. How I feel? Frustrated, disappointed, and honestly pissed off at myself. I thought I was past the revenge trade BS, but clearly I've only suppressed it, not solved it. This wasn't a mistake. It was self-sabotage, and the worst part, I saw it happening in real time and didn't stop it. The pattern I realized I'm setting and looking like I want to continue doing if I don't pan up is I lose one stupid trade that I shouldn't have taken. I revenge trade straight away, blowing more money. Then the next day I just crawl out of drawdown, but I shouldn't have been in drawdown to begin with. It's a loop, a toxic one. This has to stop now, or I'll never break free. Mental note, you do know how to trade. That's not the problem. The problem is when you trade without discipline, your edge means nothing. You're not here to prove anything. You're here to be consistent. Winning tomorrow doesn't matter if today was pure nonsense. I'll just be break even my whole trading career if I'm just losing on stupid trades, doubling down again with revenge trading, and then the next day I'm just there pulling myself out of drawdown. plan, no trading tomorrow. I'm not emotionally stable enough to trade yet. I'm going to take the weekend to rest, return Monday fresh. Final thoughts. I'm writing this not to beat myself up, but to finally be honest about the real issue. Impulse plus ego equals account death, inevitably. I'm not quitting. I'm not going to let this cycle continue either. Time to come back next week with intention, not emotion. No more BS. Today shouldn't have happened, and the worst thing is, let me just show you guys. The worst thing is this. That's the worst thing. I took the loss here. Literally, let's say 30 minutes max later, this is what's playing out. When I started recording, we just made this candle down and we were pushing back up. But literally, in the span of me just talking about my trade recap, we're going to hit full take profit. All I had to do was be patient, wait for that 5-minute confirmation, which we got right here, jump on the 1 minute, and then, we didn't tap into equilibrium, but that's not an issue because we still got S&T, and where's ES right now? ES pushed all the way down to these lows that I marked out, whilst NAS hasn't even made it to its first low yet. I would have taken profits already, been at break even. Oh, that's just the worst. We tapped into that 1 hour inverse that I was talking about. Strong move down. Came back into that 5-minute fair value gap, 1 minute inverse. Strong bearish close out of there. Entry off that, stops at that, the last high, and target 1 to 3. And this is definitely most 100% gonna hit take profit. All I had to do was be patient. Be fucking patient. But what did I do? I wanted to jump into the trade early because I saw a little confirmation on the 1 minute and the 3 minute. Nothing concrete. Oh my days. This actually has to stop. We're probably going to retrace back into here and then sell off. But this trade is 100% going to hit full take profit. And the thing is, I would have already been in profit. I already would have closed 50% of this trade, break even, risk free. But what did I have to do? I had to go and enter the trade all the way over here from this BS right here. This was the sell. This is an A setup right here. Oh my days. So honestly, a massive shame. This number shouldn't even be in there. Okay, yes, I took a super trade. I would have been down 1,000 for the day, 1%. 1% down for the day. This is almost 2% down for the day. What kind of nonsense is that? And now if you go on to, where is it? Over here, I only have 1.2 left until I blow the account. Come on, man. What is this? I basically lost 2% in 1 day. Oh my days. 2% when this is going to hit full take profit for 1 to 3. I'm honestly so pissed at myself. I marked out everything. I knew what my bias was. I knew how I was going to come into trade. I knew this was the lagging index. This already made its move. This is still yet to make its move. Look at it. Oh my days. You know, there's only so much I can do. I know my strategy works. I just need to stick to my plan and fucking lock in from now on, honestly. Monday I have to come in. Actually, I don't think I'm trading Monday. So Tuesday I need to come and absolutely pan up because I've only got 1.2. So ideally, that's one trade. back out of drawdown. I'm down 116. But the beginning this said, 1 second. That's a 3K to begin with. Don't let your account balance hit or go below 98,597. 98,597. I believe that's that 1.2 away. Wait. 99883. 3.8 minus 98597.8. Yeah, I believe that's that 1.2. Yeah, I only have 1.2 until this account's gone. This account's not gone yet. All I need to do from now on is high quality setups. Only high quality setups like this. This right here. Would have passed me my account? No, it wouldn't have passed me my account, but if I was holding to like these lows, ideally this low, let's be serious, that's my account pass. But no, I wanted to go ahead and what pisses me off, this move happened. This move is happening in the time I'm giving my trade recap. Nothing more hurts than that. From now on, I'm taking no trade unless I get a 5-minute confirmation. Without that 5-minute confirmation, I don't care how good the setup is. I'm waiting for that 5-minute confirmation. Till we get that 5-minute confirmation, count me out. I'm done. I'm not trading unless I get that 5-minute confirmation. Everything's aligned, and I'll be damned if I revenge trade one more time. If I revenge trade one more time, honestly, I don't know. I might as well just give up on trading if I'm just going to continue revenge trading. My bloody YouTube name is called Revenge Trade Rehab, and I'm here revenge trading. Shame. This trade's going to hit full take profit. I know it will. Other than that, thanks for watching, I guess. You guys better not be revenge trading. It's not fun at all. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Any questions for me, leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day and peace out.